Today, we're diving into one of the most popular card games. Whether it's family get togethers, late night parties, or those sneaky office breaks. Yup, it's Teen Putti. And now you don't have to wait for big gatherings. The game's in your pocket now on Genius Play. Play anytime, anywhere, and win real cash while you're at it. If you've played before, awesome. Stick around. I've got some pro tips for you. If you're completely new, no stress. I'll walk you through everything step by step. Super simple, super fun. Let's go. Teen Putti is one of the most thrilling card games out there. It's got everything. Skill, luck, a little bluffing, and that moment when you win the pot. But hey, before you jump in, let's learn some basics that'll make you sound like a pro and play like one too. Pot. This is the total money up for grabs in the game. Everyone throws in their bets and the winner takes it all. Boot. The minimum entry fee to get the party started. You gotta put this in the pot before cards are dealt. No freeloaders at the table. So all you got is the Richie Rich game. Fold or pack. Not feeling lucky? No worries. Fold your hand and sit out this round. Hand rankings, your secret weapon. Okay, listen up. This part's important. Your cards decide your fate, and here's how they rank. Trail. 3 of a kind or 3 similar ranking cards like 3 kings or triple aces. Jackpot moment. Straight flush or pure sequence. 3 consecutive cards of the same suit like 7, 8, 9 of spades. And that can lead you to classy and powerful winning. Run or sequence 3 cards in a row, different suits. Example, 4 of spades, 5 of hearts, 6 of diamonds, still solid. Color or flush, 3 cards of the same suit, any order, for example, 3, 6, 9 of hearts. Pair or double, 2 cards of the same rank. If both players have pairs, the third card decides the winner. High card. If no one has any of the above, simply the highest card to wins. Super simple steps. Here's how it goes on Genius Play, your new favorite gaming spot. 2 to 6 players at the table. Everyone puts in the boot amount to kick things off. The dealer deals 3 cards to each player from a standard 52 card deck. No jokers in play, so it's time to be the real Dark Knight of the table. The player next to the dealer starts the action. They have got 3 choices. Place, bet, match the current bet. Raise, feeling confident, double up. Fold, out of luck, pack your cards and get off to the table. Now here's the spicy part. Blind or see. Blind player. You bet without seeing your cards. Pure guards, pure thrill. Seen player. You check your cards first, but hey, your minimum bet is now higher than the blind players. So play smart. Betting rules. If the previous player went blind and you play blind, your bet can be the same or double. If they played blind, you play seen, your bet is at least double, can go up to 4 times. If both players are seen, the minimum bet is double, max is 4 times. Blind players can peek anytime, but once you've seen, you can't go back to blind mode. Special move, sideshow. If you're a seen player, you can ask the player before you for a sideshow. Basically, a private peek at each other's cards. If they agree, you compare your cards. Whoever has the weaker hand folds. Isn't it more drama, more fun? How does the game end? Last player standing takes the pot. Tie, both players share the pot, fair and square. Pot limit reached. All players must reveal cards when pot limit is reached. Best hand wins. And that's it. You're officially Teen Putti ready. So what are you waiting for? Download Genius Play, recharge your wallet, and jump into the action. And hey, maybe you'll be the next big winner with that instant wallet withdrawal feature. Genius Play, India's most thrilling online gaming platform. Download now. Let the games begin.